Hey there, fellow gearheads. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's guaranteed to get your heart racing and your adrenaline pumping. If you've ever wondered how to give your car that extra kick of raw power, you're in for a treat. Buckle up, because we're about to reveal the easiest way to add some serious horsepower to your ride. I'm Turbo Thrills 101 and let's jump right into it. Alright, folks, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why more horsepower is like music to a car enthusiast's ears. You know that exhilarating feeling when you push the pedal to the metal and your car just launches forward? Yeah, we all crave that rush. But what if I told you that unlocking more horsepower doesn't have to be a complex and wallet-draining ordeal? That's right. We're about to reveal the ultimate shortcut to boosting your car's power without breaking the bank. Now, you might be thinking, hey, do I need to swap out my entire engine for this? Not at all. The game changer we're talking about is the aftermarket performance tuner. Picture this, a small, sleek device that plugs right into your car's diagnostic port, and voila! You're on your way to a horsepower paradise. This bad boy communicates with your car's onboard computer, optimizing fuel-air mixture, ignition timing, and other crucial parameters. It's like giving your car a digital personal trainer. Alright, let's break down the steps. Step 1. Get your hands on a quality performance tuner. Do your research, read reviews, and pick one that's compatible with your car's make and model. Step 2. Locate your car's diagnostic port. It's usually somewhere around the dashboard or the driver's side. Plug in the tuner, and don't worry, it's a piece of cake. Finally, Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to tune your car's performance settings. It's like customizing your ride's DNA. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Picture this, you're behind the wheel, you hit the gas, and your car surges forward like a bat out of hell. That's the magic of a properly tuned car. Increased horsepower means quicker acceleration, faster 0-60 times, and a grin that just won't quit. Plus, you'll likely notice improved throttle response and even better fuel efficiency. It's like giving your car a shot of adrenaline while saving you some bucks at the pump. Win-win. Alright, folks, you're probably itching to get started, right? But before you dash off, remember that while adding a performance tuner is easy and effective, it's still a modification. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines, take it easy at first, and make adjustments gradually. It's all about finding that sweet spot for your ride. And there you have it, my fellow speed demons, the ultimate shortcut to adding real horsepower to your car without a full-blown engine swap. It's like giving your car a secret power-up. So, if you're ready to unleash the beast under your hood and experience a new level of driving excitement, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications. Stay tuned for more exhilarating tips and tricks to elevate your automotive experience. Until next time, keep the rubber burning and the horsepower flowing. Peace out.